So let's compare the Oukitel WP62 with the Oukitel WP60. It's going to be a quick specs comparison video. The Oukitel WP62 is not available yet. It hasn't even been announced by the brand yet, while the Oukitel WP60 has just been released. It's currently available. I think it's sold for about $350 or so. The WP60, as we know, is the rugged phone with the largest display. We're talking about a 7.2-inch display. The only downside is the resolution, which is just HD plus. Anyway, without wasting much of your time, let's quickly compare the specs of both 5G rugged phones. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it, guys, the Oukitel WP62 versus the Oukitel WP60. Which of the two devices is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Personally, both devices are great feature-packed, rugged, mid-range 5G devices. They both have incredible specs. It's hard to pick one from the other, especially because of the fact that this is just a specs comparison video, not a real-life comparison video. And as I mentioned earlier, the Oukitel WP62 is not available yet, but it's most likely going to launch before the end of this month, while the WP60 is available for sale already at around maybe $300 or $350. Anyway, that's it for the comparison video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.